KinderFun.
Let's make some art, let's have some fun with crayons, markers for everyone. Colors bright and shapes so neat. Come join us now, it's a treat. Draw a sun so big and round. Color it yellow, bright and proud. Add some clouds and skies so blue. Your imagination will guide you. Snip, snip, snip with scissors in hand. Cut out shapes, isn't it grand? Glue them together, stick and play. Crafting fun all through the day. Dip your brush in colors bright. Paint a rainbow, what a sight. Sprinkle glitter, watch it glow. Making art is like a dream. Strings and beads, red, green and blue. Make a necklace just for you. Add some buttons, big and small. Crafting fun for one and all. Look at the crafts all done and bright. Each one a masterpiece, a true delight. We had fun and made some art. Let's give our crafts a happy start. Thanks for joining, we had a blast. Making art that will last. Keep on crafting, don't you stop. Art and crafts always on top.